Hello students, in my last video I have taught how to solve numericals based on reflection through certain mirrors. I have also guided you signs have to be taken into consideration whether it will be positive or negative. Even it is positive you must mention it so as to avoid any type of confusion. Okay, so as to improve your numerical skill I am here with next numerical. So let's start today's numerical, that is an object 4 centimeter in size. It means what? What is given to you? Size of object, and size of object can also be called as height of object. और जो object की height है that is denoted by the symbol h, that is given to you 4 centimeter. It is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So I have left this space for the name of mirror, that is concave mirror. Okay. Object was kept at a distance of 25 centimeter. It means object distance. Object distance is denoted by symbol U, and at a distance of 25 centimeter. 15 centimeter it is. So I must write here 15 centimeter. Okay. At what distance from the mirror screen is placed? It means मिरर है, मिरर क्या करेगा? इमेज बनाएगा, और वो इमेज को अगर आप किसी स्क्रीन पर अचीव करना चाहते हैं, रिसीव करना चाहते हैं, तो स्क्रीन कहाँ पर पोजीशन करें? इट मीन्स इनडायरेक्ट वे से द डिमांड इज टू फाइंड आउट द पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज. whenever he asks size of image, it means height of image. Position of screen, it means position of image. Size means height of image, and screen means position of image. In order to obtain a sharp image, we have to find out the nature and size of the image. Okay. Now taking sign into consideration, object is always taken to be positive. Object distance always negative. Okay. Object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length. Focal length is represented by curl F, that is 15 centimeter. As the mirror is concave, concave is negative focal length. Okay. Now we have to find out V. Whenever U, V or F is to be find out, we have to use mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U equals 1 by F. What we have to find out? We have to find out position of screen. Screen means position of image is to be find out. Okay. So we have to find out V. Keeping V on the left hand side, it will be 1 by F minus 1 by U. What is F? F is minus 15. Sign is to be taken into consideration. Minus 15 minus 1 upon U. What is U? That is minus 25. So keeping here minus 25, minus will merge with minus, resulting plus 25. That is equal to 1 by V. So 1 by V is equal to, taking LCM, 15 and 25 LCM is 75. 15 5s are 75, it will be minus 5. 25 3s are 75, it means it will be plus 3. Students, minus 5 plus 3, what it will be? It will be minus 2. Okay. So 1 by V is equal to minus 2 upon 75. On cross multiplication, you will get V is equal to, or taking reciprocal, V by 1 is equal to minus 75 by 2, that is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Clear up to now? So you have find out the image. Distance means position of screen. As the question is demanding, we have to find out position of screen in brackets so as to make the concept clear. I am mentioning here image, that is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Minus means what? In front of a mirror, means हमें मिरर के सामने 37.5 सेंटीमीटर पर अपनी स्क्रीन को लोकेट करना है टू ऑब्टेन अ शार्प इमेज. ओके, नाउ if the question is asked for nature, nature means whether it is real or virtual. Okay, as image is formed in front of a mirror, जब भी मिरर के अंदर नहीं, मिरर के सामने बने तो जो इमेज है दैट इज ऑलवेज रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज. ऐसे समझो, क्योंकि फ्रंट में बन रहा है, क्योंकि हमारे पास v कैसी आ रही है? नेगेटिव आ रही है. जब v नेगेटिव आए, इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ मिरर. जब इमेज मिरर के फ्रंट में बनेगी, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनेगी. क्लियर? सो इमेज इज इन्वर्टेड. सो व्हाट वाज डिमांडिंग इन क्वेश्चन? नेचर. नेचर हैज बीन फाइंड आउट. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट साइज ऑफ द इमेज आल्सो. साइज मीन्स व्हाट? हाइट ऑफ द इमेज आल्सो. Height of the image can be find out by using the formula, that is magnification formula. So what is m? M is equal to height of image upon height of object, that is equal to minus image distance upon object distance. What we have to find out? We have to find out size of image. So h dash is equal to minus v upon u into h. Before putting any values, I have kept the thing or the variable to be find out in left hand side. When it will be alone and along the left hand side, then I will substitute the values with proper sign consideration. Minus. What is v? V is minus 37.5. As I have done in my previous numerical, in spite of taking decimal number, I am taking fractional number. So it will be minus 75 by 2. Minus will merge with minus. It will be plus 75 by 2. V is substituted. Now h. H is height of object. What is given to you? Height of object 4 centimeter. It is 4. What is u? U means what? Object distance, and object distance is minus 25 centimeter. Substitute here minus 25 centimeter. 25 ones are 25 threes are 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 3 twos are 6, minus 6 centimeter. So height of image is negative. Negative means again it is indicating what? Image is inverted. रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज. क्लियर अप टू नाउ? तो आपने क्या समझा यहाँ पर? न्यूमेरिकल दैट इज यूज टू फाइंड आउट द इमेज लोकेशन और इमेज पोजीशन. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस योर सेल्फ डूइंग NCERT एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन. इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी क्वेरी इन एनी क्वेश्चन, यू मे आस्क. ओके, comment in comment box if you are having any query or any confusion regarding sign consideration or any solution. I will give you a proper solution of that. Now in next video we will start our next section, that is lenses. Okay, so for the refraction to start, you have to practice a lot for the reflection. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.